I said, oh hot damn, this is my jam. We got a 2007 to 2014 Ford Expedition projector retrofit here. Did a Morimoto Mini D2S projector assembly with the Panamera 2.0 switchback shrouds, running the Morimoto HID 6500 Kelvin bulbs on 50 watt Morimoto ballasts. These bad boys right here, so they will be overdriven, which will give us a nice pure white light output. And let's fire that up right now by jamming in my little battery pack, and we will see that light on up and throw it up on the wall. Check out that. It is beautiful. Your Ford Expedition has never seen down the road so nicely. But wait, there's more. Not only will you be able to see extremely well at night, let's throw this battery over here now, and I will put in the switchback shroud so you can see how that thing looks, because it is super pretty as well. Ooh, hot damn, that is my jam. Isn't that thing pretty? I like that so much. And then hold on, I'll show you what it looks like with the switchback feature. Oh, look at that. Amber, amber, amber. I'm just doing this by hand, so not actually hooked up to a module or anything, but check that out. Really simple, very basic retrofit, professionally done. It's going to be aimed and it's going to be beautiful. I get to do the install tomorrow. To give you an idea of what the back looks like, it's completely sealed up. We've got a high beam plug. This will go through a relay harness. This is the amp connectors for the igniter, which will go into the ballast. And then we have the LED driver. So on the vehicle itself, you'll just need to do a ground, a running light, which will be a switched ignition source for power, and then also a turn signal tap like that. So it's going to be a very straightforward, pretty much a DIY sort of plug and play solution that's going to be possible. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. If you have any questions about the products or pricing for this build, please by all means reference the video description down below. Also, my contact information will be there if you're interested in a build for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. I shall talk to you later. Have a wonderful night. See ya!